after the determination of extra element, we will move toward the functional groups. We have to start from the carboxylic group. After carboxylic group, we have to move toward the phenolic OH. For that, carboxylic group, acid group, we have to take blue litmus paper. This is the first preliminary test of carboxylic group, blue litmus. We have to moist it, and after moistening it, what we have to do? We have to keep it on the organic compound. What is our observation? Our observation is this blue litmus changes to red. When the blue litmus changes to red, it shows that the functional group present in this given unknown organic compound, it is carboxylic acid. There may be the chances also of the phenolic group also, because if the phenolic group is present, then also this test also shows. We have to confirm it again after this preliminary test. We have to confirm it by using another test. For that, what we have to do? We have to prepare the aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. This is the aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. To this, I am adding the given organic compound, unknown organic compound. What is our observation? You will find certain effervescence, brisk effervescence of the carbon dioxide. Brisk effervescence of carbon dioxide. This confirms that two tests, that is, one is litmus test and second is this bicarbonate test. These two tests shows that the functional group present in this organic compound is the carboxylic acid. अब इसमें यह भी हो सकता है, एसिड के साथ साथ फिनॉल भी हो सकता है यहाँ पे, इसलिए हमको फिनॉल का टेस्ट भी करके देखना पड़ेगा पहले. फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? We have to take given organic compound in alcohol. Here I have taken alcohol, ethyl alcohol. To that I have added the given organic compound. This is a alcoholic solution of given organic compound, and to that I am adding, this is the neutral ferric chloride solution. I am adding this neutral ferric chloride solution to this alcoholic solution of given organic compound. This violet coloration, the violet coloration shows that here in this organic compound also present the phenolic OH group. So these two tests, that is functional group test for the carboxylic acid and the phenolic group OH group, they are coming positive. It shows that this given organic compound contains both carboxylic group as well as the phenolic OH group also as a functional group. Now, after the functional group, what we have to do? We have to find out the melting point of the given organic compound. When I find out the melting point, it comes to me 160 degrees Celsius. 160 degrees Celsius. After that, we have to compare this melting point with the given data of the organic compound. When I compare this and match this melting point with the given data, I found that this matches with the melting point of salicylic acid, whose standard melting point comes to be, that is 158 degree Celsius. Now, for the salicylic acid, the formula of salicylic acid is, for the salicylic acid, there must be the presence of two functional groups, that is carboxylic group and the OH group. This is the structure of the salicylic acid. And in our observation, we have seen our organic compound also contain both the functional groups, that is one is carboxylic group and second is the OH group. And our melting point, that is with the melting point which we have determined, that melting point matches with the melting point of the salicylic acid. After that, what we have to do? We have to prepare the derivative of the salicylic acid, that is various derivatives are there. Out of that, we will prepare the nitro derivative of the salicylic acid. For that, what we have to do? We have to take the salicylic acid, that is nothing but the given organic compound. To that, we have to add the dilute nitric acid and we have to boil that. After boiling for the 5 minutes, we have to pour that solution into the ice cold water taken in a beaker. You will find the yellow PPT. That yellow PPT is nothing but the nitro derivative of given organic compound, which that is nothing but salicylic acid. After that, we have to take the melting point of this nitro derivative, and this shows that all these experiment shows that the given organic compound is nothing but the salicylic